In the last video, we had discussed about regulation of glycolysis, and as we had seen that there are three regulatory enzymes: hexokinase, phosphofructokinase, and pyruvate kinase. They are catalyzing the irreversible three steps of glycolysis. Rest all the steps are reversible. And we had outlined various regulatory influences. For example, hexokinase subject to feedback inhibition, the most important regulatory enzyme PFK1 that is inhibited by ATP, citrate and falling pH and stimulated conversely by ADP, AMP, and a powerful stimulator was fructose 2,6 bisphosphate, which we had omitted details about it last time, but this time we are going to discuss something more about it. And likewise, pyruvate kinase inhibited as shown by red line by ATP, and it is stimulated by fructose 1,6 bisphosphate, an intermediate of glycolysis. So this can be taken as an example of feed forward stimulation. Fructose 1,6 bisphosphate, an intermediate of glycolysis. ये जब बढ़ गया तो it will stimulate the subsequent later enzyme pyruvate kinase. So this is an example of feed forward stimulation. Very few examples of this type are seen in biochemistry. And then we had also seen effect of insulin, a stimulatory hormone, on glycolysis, and glucagon, an inhibitory hormone for glycolysis. Now we are going to study now a bit more detail about insulin and glucagon and about PFK2 also, phosphofructokinase 2, which is for fructose 2,6 bisphosphate also a powerful stimulator of glycolysis. हम इंसुलिन से स्टार्ट करते हैं. As you all know, insulin causes dephosphorylation. Glucagon acting via cyclic AMP causes phosphorylation of various enzyme proteins. Just recall glycogen phosphorylase, glycogen synthase, they are regulated by phospho-dephospho mechanism. So insulin causes dephosphorylation, glucagon causes phosphorylation. Now, not only glycogen phosphorylase and synthase, a number of other enzymes are also regulated by phospho-dephospho mechanism, also called covalent modulation. Dephosphorylation say the enzymes which are stimulated as shown by this green line are pyruvate kinase and phosphofructokinase 2. This we are going to discuss more in detail. And conversely, glucagon has got opposite effects. So insulin ने pyruvate dephosphorylation किया, pyruvate kinase को stimulate कर दिया, उससे glycolysis बढ़ जाएगी. That is very simple to understand, pyruvate kinase, but we will try to understand more about this phosphofructokinase 2 and fructose 2,6 bisphosphate. As you all know that in glycolysis, fructose 6-phosphate is converted to fructose 1,6 bisphosphate by the regulatory enzyme PFK, phosphofructokinase. An alternate pathway also exists whereby fructose 6-phosphate is converted to fructose 2,6 bisphosphate. This is catalyzed by another enzyme called PFK2. So then we can call phosphofructokinase 2. दोनों का नाम सेम है, इसलिए इसको मेन लाइन एंजाइम को PFK1 बोल देते हैं, इसको PFK2 बोल देते हैं. And by this alternate pathway, fructose 6-phosphate is converted to fructose 2,6-bisphosphate. And this, as we said, is a powerful stimulator of the mainline enzyme PFK1. So PFK1 का stimulation हो गया, इससे fructose 6-phosphate will be converted to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. In other words, PFK1, that is an important enzyme of glycolysis. तो हमने देखा ये फ्रक्टोज 2,6-बिस्फॉस्फेट इसको स्टिमुलेट करता है, पावरफुल स्टिमुलेटर. और फ्रक्टोज 2,6-बिस्फॉस्फेट अभी हमने देखा, दैट इज स्टिमुलेटर हमने देखा. नाउ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, हमने इंसुलिन से स्टार्ट किया था. इंसुलिन इज पावरफुल स्टिमुलेटर ऑफ PFK2. So we start from beginning, fed state, insulin बढ़ गई, PFK2 activate हो गया. Insulin being a powerful stimulator of PFK2 by causing dephosphorylation. So ये PFK2 बढ़ गया, इससे फ्रक्टोज 2,6-बिस्फॉस्फेट की प्रोडक्शन बढ़ गई और इससे फिर मेन ग्लाइकोलाइटिक पाथवे स्टिमुलेट हो जाएगी, PFK1 stimulate हो जाएगा. So this is what is happening, how insulin is acting. Glucagon will act exactly in the opposite way by causing dephosphorylation. You can extrapolate. एक और पॉइंट, हमने फीड फॉरवर्ड स्टिमुलेशन का एक एग्जांपल दिया था. लेट मी गिव अनदर एग्जांपल ऑल्सो. Fructose 6-phosphate, an intermediate of glycolysis, it is an activator of PFK2. I'm going to write it here. Fructose 6-phosphate PFK2 का powerful stimulator है और उससे the same sequence of events glycolysis will be enhanced. So is this not also an example of feed forward stimulation? So in this lecture we have touched certain advanced points related to regulation of glycolysis. Otherwise, for undergraduates, for those who are interested in passing the examination, this much is enough, and this was discussed in the last video. But for the postgraduate and for inquisitive undergraduate students, this video would be useful. Thank you so much.